Hello friends, in this video uh, we will see a OS module which is inbuilt module in a Node.js. Why it's use OS module? It is basically used to get information of systems, user systems, your system collection values, which what is your host name, what current directory you using. Before it starts, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay, right now I go to official doc. See, the OS module provides operating system related utility, methods and priorities. From this OS module, you can access your system information, which system, which work in OS you are working, what is your free, what is your free RAMs and something. Suppose I want to use how which byte I have my Windows system is present, so we can access this one. From arc we can show my system is 64 bits. From this function we can extract your system information. It is 64 bits. Okay, and one more thing, it's CPU uses. It returns the array of containing information about CPU logics and CPU uses, how much times the CPU is used, and how which I have CPU intensive properties also. And I have to show which in this one, in which format your data is really written in a RAM. It is basically mainly used the property. Okay, basically my system is using a little Indian, not a big Indian. What is big Indian and what is little Indian? As you, I will explain you what is big Indian and little Indian. Suppose we have a RAM, and there is a two block. This one for little Indian LT, this one for B BE, and this one, okay, I did a mistake, spelling mistake, LT little Indian, and this one is big Indian. In little Indian there is a block. You have some RAM block. Okay, now we have a value approx 0 into 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, in little Indian we we are at say we in little Indian the value is saved in high to lower, in from back to front. Suppose in this value 67 is stored, after that 45 is stored, after that 23 is stored, and 0 1 is stored, and there is so much RAM blocks are present in your RAM block. It is a vice versa of little Indian. It is stored from low to high. It's pros 101 2 3 4 5 6 7. This way, this is the basic difference of LE and B, which is little Indian and big Indian. Okay, Now we can also use a platform, which platform I have. My system is basically run, which is Win32. I want to use, I want to see my user information. We can also say the my user information. My user information as is Sony, home directory, and cell nut sum. There is lots of function, lot of function in this version. So that's it for today video. We can, next video we can use child process video. uh, Thank you for watching.